on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, we show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystems. So we are back with the second stream of the day. I hope everyone is doing well. If you caught the first stream today at 11:30, thank you so much for being in that live stream. If you watched it and did the replay, thanks again. And I really do appreciate it. YouTube will reward you for those watches. If you're doing the right thing, What it does is it gives you the algorithm of people that are kind of just like me, you know, talking about crypto. So when you hit the like button, you comment and all that stuff, and you guys tune into these live streams and hit the like button, then it gets your algorithm going. If you guys know about the algorithm, you know, it gets kind of spicy. So I hope you're doing well. Thank you guys so much for being in the live stream tonight. Guys, we hit the take profit. We hit the take profit on Pepe, guys. It actually did it while we were taking a nap. So it's pretty awesome that we actually, when you set the take profits and they hit it, that's the whole point, guys, is to hit that take profit. So we hit the take profit on Pepe. Pepe, if you read the title right, got a major leg up because of the Coinbase listing. You know, sometimes people get a little bearish on perpetuals listings because of the fact that people can short the coin. So, but I think with this, and you look at this chart here, it looks like we are getting the leg up and people aren't really wanting to short Pepe right now, at least in the immediate short term. That's an oxymoron for you. So we're sipping just a little bit of coffee because we just needed a little bit of that second win. We just made a little cup of coffee just to kind of sip on something. Let me know what you guys are drinking. If you're watching somewhere in the morning, if it's morning time, if it's evening, or if you're just ending your day and you're just popping in, I hope you're feeling well. Hope you're feeling good. Let me know if the sound and everything is okay. Everything's looking good. We're just looking through the trades. You know, we established now a good base to get into some altcoin trades, which is really awesome. I think, all right, let's see. So Duffy Newman saying, putting in the work, Dano. The Moon Show this morning, 2 streams. Oh, yeah. I'm trying to be consistent. All right, so we got MFRX9 saying it's 6 a.m. here. Nice, that's awesome. So if it's 6 a.m., I'm so glad that I'm able to stream at this time and provide this stream for you guys, wherever you are. And you know, if it's the morning time, good morning. I think that's perfect. I think we picked the perfect time to stream, you know, because we got people in all different time zones. We have people watching from all over the world. We have people watching from Nigeria, Australia, Sri Lanka. Someone commented from Sri Lanka and said, hey, from Sri Lanka, Pakistan. I mean, it's amazing. It's so cool. It's like, I feel like I could go all around the world and have a friend that could show me around their hometown. And I really hope that one day. I think that'd be super cool. I think crypto's that cool that we have that kind of community where if you saw me and you were like, yo, it's Dano Crypto, you would show me around your town. So I hope you guys have been as bullish. All right, so yeah, so Risky8 saying, let's go Pepe, Brett, and Bobo. So let's look at, we did not look at Brett at all the past 2 streams. We just were looking at Bento. And so Bento was that airdrop that kind of popped in the wallet. We were really curious about it, and because it was on the base chain, we swapped a little bit of our Brett that we had into Bento to see what happens. And we caught a 3x. We could have cashed it out, so we just put like 45, 50 bucks into it just to kind of see. And we just kind of left it alone. So we are going to now, we're going to check on Brett right now. I thought we had the dex screener up, but no, we do not. But really quick before we do this, go to DanielCurtisHughes.com. Be sure you guys check out this website. This is where you're going to get those immediate updates from anything new from me. Basically, this is going to be kind of like, you know, where the syndicate hub of if I do anything at all that is in my brand or under my copyright, it's coming from this website. It's legit. So I just want you guys to know, you see something on here and you click on it, you can click on it. You're not going to get scammed. I solemnly swear. Unless I announce that my website got hacked or something like that. But yeah, so we got the crypto bubbles on here on the 5 minute, the H bar on the 5 minute here, 3%. So I'm pretty sure the H bar variants are super happy about that move, the 3%. Yeah, people are not happy with XRP. I think XRP is not doing good in terms of price action, and people are choosing other coins to go into. I mean, you look at the top coins now, and XRP is just getting stomped out by Solana, BNB, I mean, literally, like Dogecoin was just flipped. XRP flipped. And then you look at Toncoin. Toncoin is coming up to really honestly be a contender for number 5 spot there for Solana. For all Solonzo there, for the number 5 contender spot. Toncoin, for real though, legit. I think Toncoin is going to do very well, and we're thinking about building it back. Yeah, XRP. I don't know what it's kind of like. XRP is almost becoming just a sentiment coin to hold because it's like, oh, XRP because it's from, it's one of my first coins I bought. And that's kind of what everyone always says, but it's like, I don't know if is that good enough? Is that good enough, But yeah, look at this. Toncoin is at $5.72. So you got to look at, in terms of the price action here. Let's look and see on the year here. All-time high, $7.27. So if I move my head, you can see that. Yo, what's going on? Shout out to LMP. Thanks for everyone coming in the stream. All the dope people. All my favorite people. What is going on? Let's see how many people we have watching across all platforms. So we have 10 people watching on X. We have about 9 people watching on YouTube. Is that correct? Let's see. I think we could get a little bit more than that. Oh, we can get more people in this. I think YouTube still is not being nice enough to us, and they're not pushing this channel enough. And the only way that they're going to push this channel is if you guys help push it for me too. So we have to share this on X. We have to share this on our social medias. We got to get people in this stream because we do it 2 times, Monday through Saturday, every single day besides Sunday. We're releasing content, and on those days, we are releasing videos and trying to provide you guys with some sauce. So I hope you guys appreciate it, and do me a favor, it's all free. So all you got to do is just interact, click the links, hit the like button, and just come on this journey with me. Make sure if you are new and you're new and just coming in the channel and you're a new subscriber, please, Yoga with Omi said, I think he said that he is going to the Nashville Nashville conference for Bitcoin. Yes. I believe so. I think I'm going to be going to the conference, and I think it will be pretty fun because the last conference that I went to was my first crypto conference. It was in Miami, and that really sparked the journey into really just starting to really push the YouTube channel, try and just go for it, meet all the crypto influencers, and just really put my name out there and just have confidence and know that look, I'm new. I know I'm getting in this space. I'm a new face, but I'm going to basically dominate, and not just for the sake of I want people to know who I am, but it's just sometimes you just have to have what I said, this Kanye level confidence of just if I am not believing in myself enough, then there's so many forces that are gonna will push you down. It could take as fast as a dang comment to make you stop doing something or make you stop doing a channel or be creative, anything like that. People could literally, dreams are crushed real fast, but you have to be strong-willed. Yo, what's going on? Shout out to Real Mike. Shout out to Risky 8. And it's crazy because that's it. That's the biggest dream killer is people listening to naysayers and comments and Oh, like if I just listened to all the comments that had to do with my appearance and I'd let that like hurt my feelings and like, oh, I'm not gonna make any videos anymore because someone commented about my hair or my sweater or my forehead or something like that. I know I got a big forehead. You know what? I don't care. I know I have a 6 head. It's all good. But I'm not gonna let that get me away from the front of the camera. You bet your bottom Bitcoin dollar. But it's so funny. I thought it was so hilarious that for some reason that people wanted to talk about my appearance in my crypto videos. I was like, why are you commenting about my appearance in my crypto videos? It's like, what? Jason Beat said, "Are you a skater?" Bro, of course I'm a skater. I've been skateboarding my entire life. It's just like that's another thing. I should show you guys some of the actually I probably could show you. I can prove it. Because some people said, yeah, I could skate, but I could actually prove it. Bitcoin actually right now, besides all that stuff, we need to look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is getting that support. We just bounced off that 66.3. So I think we're on a trajectory. This is just the 5-minute though. We went up to all the way. Wow. Oh, those numbers literally got wicked on 66666, all 6s right there, except there was just a 1. Benjamin, yeah, Benjamin, yeah, old poor Benjamin Cohen. Yeah, I think Benjamin Cohen's a good guy. He seems like he's really cool, like very knowledgeable. Just try and get him on the channel, do some TA, and talk about Bitcoin dominance. Real Mike saying, I have a gap in my teeth. Pile hated on. I got the gap fixed with the Invisalign. Then I realized it didn't do it for me. I brought the gap back. Yo, Real Mike bringing the gap back. It's so funny. It's interesting. Like sometimes when you kind of just start to love yourself and you're just like, however you are, like, you know, just how you were born. You just, yeah, it's just something happens. I don't know, something ticks. But that's cool. That's cool. Thanks for sharing that. I like that you guys are getting a little personal. You know, I think it you know helps that we're all. But yeah, Crypto Naughty said, fill that gap with crypto gains. Speaking of gaps, let's go to the CME gaps. Oh, did you see how that made that transition? All right, so we're going to look at the CME gap, if there is one. Are there any CME gaps on the 4-hour? I couldn't have made a better transition, guys. Like, come on. Like, get out of here. Speaking of CME gaps, we have a gap at 63.7 and 63.1. So, are we gonna fill this gap? Or is Real Mike gonna come in hot? So I got a gap to fill. All right, let's see how the S&P closed today, because we weren't really paying attention to it. Did it close green? Yes, it closed in the green. So look at that. The S&P closed in the green. So that is good. So we actually had a tweet from, I think it was Alex Becker, but actually first we want to look at this tweet. So Bitcoin supply to run out on exchanges in 9 months. Okay, I made a video about it today. It's an interesting video with this metric that flashed in 2017, and someone pointed it out that basically what happened in 2017 is that the Bitcoin on exchanges, the outflows started to increase substantially, which means that the supply on the exchanges started to go down, And so what happened is that Bitcoin rallied, like, I think it was like 150% or more, or 200%. It went to like $20,000 like in 2017. This is when it did that like crazy rally. Basically what happened is it had a supply shock because it was after that halving period. And this is what is happening right now. We're having this same thing happen. And so since the halving reduces daily emissions by half, so even the current demand is sustained, the analyst says a supply squeeze will drive prices higher. Even so, as mentioned earlier, whether BTC will rally depends on the pace at which immediate resistance levels are cleared. So are we going to clear the resistance levels that they're mentioning? I believe so. I believe so. You look at Binance, we got rejected at 67.2, but once we break the 67,000, which it actually states, I think, in this article, it says, look, we break that basically crossing above that 68,000, then we will have a true rally, I think, to another all-time high, which would be 74,000. But I think we go for a more bullish target if we're looking at the daily. We look at the top of the band, and we're looking at 76. I'm looking at 76.9 for Bitcoin when we get support off of this resistance. And I'll tell you why. It's because we're just doing a basic measurement. We're just doing, I think, a basic measurement, and we're just going to do it from here, this pinch of the distance of the Bollinger Bands from the top of the band to the bottom, and then let's just do this. And here's the price where we're at right now. And then we're just going to make it go this way. And this is the target, guys. This is the target. 76,007, 76.7, 76.7. So this is what we need to be looking for in the short term. We already had that short-term price volatility, so going to the making these waves. So we had basically, I guess what you would call, I think this is an Elliott wave pattern, where you basically have the first break to the upside. You have the retracement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the fifth time is where you're gonna have the breakout. Now, I really like this. This is super, super, super bullish. When you're looking at this chart, I'm telling you that it's bullish, because if you just look at the patterns, you can see it. It's real easy to see. It's just right in front of you. So this is going to make altcoins absolutely rip, and we can already see it with some of these altcoins. They already did it. They broke these levels. We were watching Pepe. We were making sure. I mean, we should have doubled down into Pepe, knowing that the Pepe community was going to come in hot with that Coinbase perpetuals listing. And we should look up the metrics on this and see actually how well it's doing right now in terms of the trading volume. We could just look it up real quick and say, how well did Pepe Coinbase listing do? Let's see if we can find some. All right, so Pepe meme coin surges following Coinbase futures listing. That's Yahoo Finance. This was 19 hours ago. All right, so will Coinbase... I want to see something that's like really, really recent. Okay, Pepe rallies following Coinbase perpetuals futures listing. Impressive gains. This was 4 hours ago. Or no, this is... Okay, let's see. Yeah, not finding anything. No price data, anything just yet. Maybe, let me see if we can find a tweet. Let's see if we can find a tweet. This is good. I like this. How do you tell who's telling the truth? The ones trying to silence other people are the ones lying. I love that. I love that. That's great. All right, so let's see. Let's post this and see if we can find any recent tweets for any price data. Let's see. Nothing yet. Okay. Or let's just type in Pepe and let's see the latest posts. All right, so respectfully from one who has been immersed into Pepe on the blockchain since 2016. Rare Pepe coins. That 2023 copycat Pepe is not the OG Pepe coin. It does not deserve the respect and the support of the global Pepe community. I know, this is what people... I know, I had people on this channel saying the same thing. Like, it's not the original Pepe coin. All right, so let's look at the massive bullish confirmation signal on the 2-day. If you're not bullish enough, I can't help you anymore. A chart says 1,000 words. Wow. Yeah. So we're getting some, yeah, we're definitely getting some momentum. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's oh, what is this? All right. Old Twitter. Twitter's so X just can't help itself. So I think people get scammed so much is because they think they can just get all of their information and sources and stuff and coins from Twitter or X, and it's just like, of course, a good response would be Bitcoin is not the original Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, that could be it too. I mean, maybe there was a different version, and well, yeah, I guess the Bitcoin that is operating now was not the original vision of Satoshi, apparently. But I think you just follow the money. Is the proper Pepe contract? Let's see, 8049. Well, let's look. Let's look right now. Well, okay, trending Pepe. No, it's not. This is the contract. We're gonna copy it right now. I'll put it in the chat. I just copied this from CoinMarketCap. All right, let's see. That is the contract, the Ethereum contract for Pepe, the proper one. So make sure if you are going to be trading it, you're going to be swapping it. And that's actually how we bought Pepe originally, was we just bought it on our wallet. We just swapped into it. And because we saw it, it was, we did it on Uniswap, from the Uniswap pool. Well, interesting. Well, I wonder. Okay, so let me see this contract. I'm going to copy this contract, and we're going to put this into Dex Tools right now, and we'll see what pops up. Because this is how we're going to do a little investigation here. Nothing. How to buy on Coinbase. So it's Coinbase International Perpetual. So however you're gonna gain access to that that's how. So what they're trading is a 1,000 leveraged Pepe. It's not it's a different type of perpetual. So like when you see coins that are listed like 1,000 or 100 bonk or 1,000 bonk, it's basically like a 1,000x leveraged coin version of Pepe. So basically the price isn't going to be the price of Pepe, like 0.0000 whatever the price of Pepe is right now. It's going to be 0.0 whatever 1,000 of what the price is right now, and then that's how it's traded. If I'm explaining that correctly, if someone's more experienced than me, tell me that I'm either wrong or like. Okay, so this contract, I don't know what this is, bro, but like it's not pulling up anything. So whatever you have is not the Pepe. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay. I was like, yeah, that's not I don't know what that is because I didn't even pop up with anything. All right, so let's check on. We're gonna check on our Matic trade. Hopefully, okay, good. We were a little bit in the negative, but we're waiting for a Matic breakout here. Let's check the trade. Let's let the chart load here. Make sure we're loading. Are we loading? Hope you guys are feeling well. Thank you so much for being in the live stream. I feel almost didn't make it. I was like, I was trying to get a little nap in and woo. So we had to just get a little second wind, and we're feeling good though. We're feeling good. Okay, cool. We got the chart loaded here. So this is on Bitflex, guys. Link in the description. I think you guys would really enjoy Bitflex. It's a really great platform, really great charts. The charting is really easy to use. It's fast. I love the full screen mode. Go in the full screen mode. I'm saying it's funny. I'm saying, look how fast it is. And it's going really slow. But it's not the actual website itself. It's just because I probably have too many things running right now. And I should probably optimize. Let's see. Let me optimize my computer right now. Because I think I'm using max memory. Oh, is it breaking out right now? Okay, thank you for the reminder. All right, so let's see how BTC is breaking out. I told you guys we're going to be getting real bullish here. This is the, I would consider, I guess, is the let's look. Where's the wave? Yeah, Elliott Impulse Wave. I think that's totally what it was. Yeah, so Elliott Impulse Wave. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if we got it on the right position. But yeah, I think that's we're due. We are due. We got beat down a few times already. 1, 2, 3. Put in enough of a low here. 2 different times on these wicks, these little scam wicks, to push us up to these prices and get bullish post halving. Wow. So interesting. What is this? So Shiba Inu investors shift to new virtual reality ICO, eyeing potential 1,000 returns. Huh. Staging strong comeback. Still, investors are shifting funds to an exacting new virtual reality ICO called Fifthscape. Shiba Inu has bounced an impressive 47% from an earlier monthly lows. If the second largest meme coin by market cap can break above the 21 DMA, buy pressure could further increase, as it could signify that SHIB has snapped its recent downtrend. Interesting. So Fifthscape presale. Fifthscape. Interesting. Yeah, we might have to check that out. All right, so let's look at it on the 4-hour here. Oh yeah, so guys, if this is basically like, you should have a VPN in general. So you need a VPN. So it's just like basically a starter kit for the internet in general. What you need to do is go into the link in the description of the video, and I do have a VPN link that if you do use it, I do get a little kickback for you guys using the links in the description. So check it out. Go here. Go into the link in the description here, and you can see here, where's the NordVPN link? Here it is, NordVPN link right here. So there's this one. You can also use the Tor browser, and the Tor browser has a built-in VPN. There's also Brave. Brave has a VPN. So you can kind of go any direction, but all right, thank you guys so much for being in the live stream. Oh, so hold on. I'm on Coinbase Advanced now, and there's no Pepe popping up in the search. Oh, Coinbase Advanced. Okay, Tone Lee saying how to buy on Coinbase. All right, so yeah, and then also Tone Lee was saying how can I find the price? Okay. All right, so let's look at Foxy. Right now I want to look at Foxy. I'm curious how this has been doing with the Linnea airdrop. Let's see the liquidity, 101,000. See where this token is headed. Ooh, I like that this is forming a little bowl here. I like that we got a nice little bowl here. Could be getting a nice little test. Shout out to Sam Lifer, Crypto Lifer, Sammy Cup and Handy. He would like that. He would like that. All right, so if you haven't checked, check and see if you got your Foxy your Foxy airdrop. Is this on Linnea? Yeah, this should be on the... I don't know why it's showing Polygon. Okay. All right, guys. Let's put our pump song on. Let's get the pump song on. All right, you guys ready? Whenever we put this song on and we start streaming, for some reason Bitcoin just starts get fired, just starts pumping. It just starts pumping hard. So let's go, guys. I don't know what time it is where you are, but you better get up. You better get up. You better get into bull mode. You get on all fours and you start walking around the house on all fours like you're a bull. Kick back your legs, and you tell everyone. You tell everyone, Bitcoin go down for what? Bitcoin go down for what? Can we break the levels? Can we break the levels so we trade don't get the pebbles? Gonna get all the profits we can. Gonna trade all the profits we can. Let's go. I need Jason Casper right now to bust a freestyle. This is when we need Jason Casper. All right, guys, so this is the second or third Having Peck. He's got his organic smoothie. Hopefully filled with a lot of greens, some protein. I should not be drinking coffee at 8:42. I don't know what's wrong with me. I said, you know what? I gotta give myself a little zip for the live stream. All right, guys. So we have some dry powder on the side here. We got some dry powder on the side. We're establishing the base. We're getting this account back up. We're trading it back up. We're not going to let the market shake us out. We're not scared money here. We're just going to remind you guys that, though, you do need to hit the like button, subscribe button, ding the bell. Bitcoin, go down for what? We think we're going to get Pepe going, even legging up a little bit more. If Bitcoin keeps going, Pepe is going to keep going. And this is when you do the step. So this is one of the BitFlex T-shirt here. 100% cotton. Pretty awesome. I want you guys to feel how awesome that T-shirt is. But you have to. But come on, look at this. Do you see my target? I don't think maybe are people as bullish as I am right now, or am I just a moon boy? Am I just a moon boy? This is making me want to get in a Bitcoin long right now. This is making me want to get in a long. Want to get into a Bitcoin long. It would have been nice. So I really only decided because I'm playing an interesting game here because I have these two different trades open. So I have this Bitcoin USDT long. And then, Simpson coin. I know there were all kinds of different like Simpsons coins that were going off last year. There was like, I think there was a Bart, there was a Simpson. I mean, there was like, I think there was maybe even I can't remember that, but there was a few. I was seeing some pop up, and there was like a bunch of SpongeBob coins. Whoa. Sorry, the music was still pumping hard. All right, so be interested to see what is going to be happening with Pepe here just in the rest of the week. Because it's only Tuesday, guys. It's Tuesday, right? It's only Tuesday. It's only Tuesday. All right, so shout out to the chat. Shout out to all the people that are watching. We almost have 20 people in here, and if we can get 20 people and 20 likes on this live stream, that would be absolutely amazing, guys. But you got to remember, if you're watching on the TV, you have to hit up, right, select, and up, right, select on certain platforms. But that gives you the opportunity to hit the like button when you're watching on the TV. So, guys, do me a favor. Smash that thing. Absolutely obliterate it. Absolutely demolish it. All those things that YouTubers say to get you to hit the like button. And if you do me a favor, what you can do also is hit the share, and then you just copy this link right here, and yeah, post this sucker up on all your socials. Post it on LiveJournal, MySpace, and these Phantasy Star Atlas chat on your Dreamcast, please. Let's do that. All right. All right, so yeah, the Matic trade is looking good. We might actually, because Bitcoin is seeing this really nice breakout. There was a couple articles that we were reading that people were thinking, look, Matic is going to be due for a breakout, and so we wanted to get into a long on Matic. We're bullish on Matic for the long term. We think Matic's going to obviously go past its all-time high of what it was in November 2021, and so Jason Beats, real quick, I'm going to answer this question. He says, Where's our take profit for a long? I'm watching on a 75-inch. Oh my God, how do I look? This probably looks crazy on a 75-inch. All right, so someone's saying do your own research. Xverse EXVG. All right, so we can check that out. We can check it out. We'll peek at anything. All right, so for BTC right now, if we're looking at BTC, let's look at the chart. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart here. All right, so yeah, if we're looking, I want to go completely full screen. So it's if you're getting into a long right now, you're a good take profit. If you're in a scalp long, would be this obvious previous resistance here at 68,000. It would be 68,031. 68,031. And then we break that, then we have, because we already are supported off of this level here. So if we're looking at this level right here, then we'd be looking at 68.6, 68.6. And this is just if you're kind of in the scalping mood. Then it all depends on its relative, you know. It's like what are you wagering? How much are you risking? What are you doing? So what's your plan? You know, do you want to have this open for a long term, like where you're wanting to kind of ride it into, or are you wanting to take profits where you're aggressively taking profits and you're wanting to say, I want to take all of this off right now and just enter back in whenever we see another retrace and a dip on the market? Or you kind of try and do the ATM strategy, is what Tom Crown calls it, is where you're basically scalping on each retracement and resistance and support, and you're trying to take profit at resistance, and you are buying you're taking profit at resistance, shorting resistance, and then you're longing support and trying to do that as much as you can back and forth. So right now, let's say in terms of the hourly, Bitcoin is looking good because we just swooped down. We're probably doing this kind of inverse pattern where we are going to be breaking. If you were to reverse this and look at this to this pattern going down, we're going to repeat this pattern on the opposite going to the upside. So this right here, turning it and breaking it to this level here. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully that answered your question. I think I'm trying to answer my own question. I'm trying to convince myself. That's what we do here in crypto. We convince ourselves that it's bullish. We convince ourselves that we're not crazy for being in crypto, but I don't think we have to do too much convincing, guys. I mean, you know, we're here, I'm here, we're all here. I'm signing, you're signing, we're all signing. I don't know if you guys have ever seen That Thing You Do, but I love that movie. There's a scene in there where he's like, there's a really funny scene. I'll tell it to you guys, and it's really cool because like it's the band. They're in this trailer. They met this manager, producer guy. He's you know, giving them a deal. He's like, I'm gonna sign you guys to Playtone Records, the biggest record label in the business. You guys will be able to tour. You'll get to do all this stuff. You get a song on the radio. And they're all kind of sitting there kind of thinking, like, should we sign it? Like, what should we do, guys? I'm just like, I don't know. And then the bass player's like, come on, guys, what do you think this guy's trying to give us a contract, a song on the radio? Give me the pen. You're signing, I'm signing, you're signing, we're all signing. And I love that scene. Because there's always one person who's just like, guys, let's go. Let's do this thing. What are you waiting for? So Spooderman, shout out to Spooderman, says, do you think degen on base could get me a 10x? Well, let's look. So it's interesting you talk about that because we have mentioned degen on this channel. We have not invested in degen. We've only invested in Brett. So, oh yeah, it's a great movie. If you guys haven't seen that Thing You Do, it's a fantastic movie. It's actually the movie that got me into wanting to learn how to play the drums. I was always interested in music, loved music my entire life, but like when I watched that movie, I was like, oh my God, I want to be a drummer. I was like, I'm going to be a drummer. And like Guy Patterson, Shades, like he's such a cool dude. And I was like, yep, I'm a drummer. I was like, that was it. I'm sold. So cool. So let's look at really quick. We're gonna go into degen and Brett. We're gonna go into CoinGecko really quick because CoinGecko actually has a pretty decent way that they track their coins in terms of the meme coins. Awesome. Jason Beat said he's a musician here too. Yeah, we got a lot of musicians. I think a lot of people that are in crypto kind of like or people that are musicians, they're getting into crypto. They're kind of learning. Like I think a lot of musicians, like, you know, got a little forward thinking. We're into tech. We're into, you know, but sometimes it's kind of, you know, it's back and forth sometimes. You know, I think musicians sometimes they can be real old school, but then you got the musicians that really are trying to like stay with the times, trying to be forward thinking. But yeah, I think, yeah, of course. I think we got lots of creatives here. We're a creative bunch of ragtag creative, degen, crypto people from all walks of life. All right, so what I do is we need to go to, because we had a good, we got to go to chains. Let's go to chains. We're going to go to the base chain. And if you think there is an actual degen chain, Did we miss it? Where's the base chain? Did we just go scroll right past it? There it is. Okay, so we got the base chain here. So we're going to go to market cap. Going to let this load. I don't know how. I'm like making myself big and small. Hold on just a second here. All right, so a good trade is artful. Yes. I think so too. I think if you can really see what is going on. This is not what I wanted to look at. I know there's more coins than this. What is going on? There we go. All right, so let's look at the market cap here. All right, so look at this. On the base chain, this is crazy. So USDC is obviously going to be the top. We got Rocket Pool ETH, Wormhole, Axelar. So we've heard about that on Ivan on Tech's channel way back. And then you got Echelon Prime, Aerodrome Finance. This thing is really, oh my gosh, this thing is we were just talked about this. So this thing has got a really great market cap as well. And then you got the Coinbase wrapped staked ETH. Coinbase wrapped staked ETH. Very important. Coinbase wrapped staked ETH. And then you have Brett and Degen. Look at this. So this thing this thing was already at a $700 million market cap not too long ago. So this thing is going to be pushing up the ranks to be the top meme coin, I think, in the base chain. So let's see. Aerodrome Finance. Let's see. We have so we did a nice little retracement, but let's look at it on the trading view chart here. And let's look. I don't know why this is. I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, let's see. Let's look at this. Thank you guys for being in the live stream. We're just doing some little research here. We're doing some coin research. I hope you guys are liking this. We're just going through some stuff. And we're going to do Arrow. Is it Arrow? Hold on. Yeah, Aerodrome Finance. Let's look at it on Coinbase. Okay, so actually we got a nice retracement going back into a range. So this is a good accumulation range. So if you were looking to trade Aerodrome Finance, you were looking for an entry at any point, because we had such a nice run up here. Looks like it could be going. Looks like it's in a nice range now. So it did do a nice dip. Pushed up to $2.37. So I mean, just like that could just be the obvious target to shoot for the long term. Hey, I'm doing my best, and I'm trying to just be led by, honestly, the spirit in my soul. I was just being told by messages and things to just go for this. And so that is exactly what I'm doing, and I'm glad that you guys are having fun along the ride and being in this community with me, and you guys actually make this super fun, and it makes it more enjoyable for me because you guys interact, you're in the chat, and I really do appreciate it. So that being said, let's get back into the charts. Let's look at this stuff. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Let's see, like, gold was pushing that all-time high of 24.23 an ounce for gold. And we had a move down on the Bollinger Band on the 4-hour with gold. And now we're probably just, it looks like it's trading down a little bit because Bitcoin right now is seeing a pump. So I think what naturally has been happening is that, look, we had that regression trend on Bitcoin, but then we broke out. We see this nice V pattern. So it looks like we could, it's not even just like if we could, or if, it's just a matter of fact that we are going to be testing that 67.9 coming up here in the short term, and we could actually test it tonight. It's actually only 9 o'clock. We got 30 minutes until the Shanghai Open on the markets, and we've noticed that when we've been streaming at these times, we get spicy Bitcoin action, and we could very well have a support going up into these levels very, very soon, which is going to be opportunities to have trades in for altcoins And this is not financial advice, but I would say that if you want to be a bull and not be a bear, there's opportunities to make money in these short-term price action. So, and if you want to do that, just be sure you guys are using the links in the description. That helps directly support the channel. And yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. I want to look at this thing on the 5-minute. I love looking at Bitcoin on the 5-minute because it really does give you the ranges of where you can speculate the altcoins, the movements on these altcoins. Now what's great is that we hit a take profit on Pepe, so which means is we were able to solidify a good portion of profits on Pepe. So we've on this particular trade, we've closed P&L 192, and on our Floki trade, we're over closed P&L over 100, and we're keeping this one open because we're seeing the same pattern with Floki, but because we've been calling it. If you've been watching the live streams, we've been calling it the Dog Froggin' Dano Dojo Trading Protocol. We're changing the name every time we say it. It's never the same. It's like going to be something. The frog leggin' giggin' doggin' froggin' leash pawlin' hog squallin' trader no, but for real, guys, we're trading the dog coins and we're trading the frog. That's all there is to it. So, but I think what it's doing is that we're trading our narrative. We're trading the trend. We're trading what people are going to naturally trade with more volume. I want the volume. So we're getting volume in Pepe. We're getting volume in Floki. These are coins. These are meme coins that are stronger than the things that are going to be popping up in Solana. And it's no offense to things that are in these chains and these meme coins and that you can swap in and out of and make some quick cash. But I'm looking at something that I want to just kind of be able to sustain through and not have like just kind of, I don't know. I just feel like this is not the kind of game I want to play. Yes, I kind of sometimes do play the DJing game, chuck some money here and there, swap and do this stuff. But I've noticed that now when I've started to build this protocol and really trade the narrative and just aggressively take profits, I'm very successful. And I've seen my account grow, and I've seen where it can just benefit me over in the long run. So with Bitcoin moving in these spicy territories here, look, this is what is going to give opportunities for these trades like Floki. We already took profits on Floki. We're looking at the 4-hour, and look, we could just already be pushing up to this level right here in the short term on Floki because of these value area highs here. This would be the target, short-term target for Floki. We got 0, 0, 3 zeros, 22, 194 for Floki. In the 4-hour, we had a 13% move on Floki. You'd be so surprised at how much of a percentage these things can move sometimes. Looks like a consolidation and just wants to basically test in to the measurement of the wedge here. Yeah. Easy target. So that would be our take profit right here for Floki. Or take profit right here for Floki. Get supported off that wick, off that resistance. Just hit the resistance. We get a couple more green, but look at the volume. Just right now, if you guys are just popping in, we're looking at Floki right now. We're deciding if we want to put a little bit more margin in this Floki trade to run it up to the top of the regression right here. Top of the regression line on this wick. got volume. It's coming in. See, we're already going to be probably hitting this level right now. Just right now in the immediate short term. You want to put a little bit in here. Let's see if we can catch. All right, so we got that order filled, and we are going to ride it right there up to that level, guys. Let's go. We're live trading right now. I know you guys love this. I know people love the live trading. It's either because they either love seeing you get wrecked, or they, or people love seeing you make money. It's either one of the two. I don't know. It's either one of the two. We'll see, guys. We'll see. But we're liking this level. It's looking good. We're liking that level, but we did hit that resistance. Let's see what happens. We only just had a little bit in this. We've already realized profits on this, so we could literally set it. We already have a stop loss set. We're going to just set that literally at 0. We're gonna set this at 0. Break even. And then Pepe, we already have this set at a break even. We're going to set that at 0, break even. And that is what we're doing, guys. All right, so let's look at Bitcoin. So if we were looking, so look, here's the thing. Trading on this Bitcoin 5-minute, it's interesting how even just with these little dips like this, that we get those reactions with altcoins. It's that fast. You see this candle, and then you go here and you look at this. Big difference, right? You see the measurement here? You see the, I'm gonna show you the measurement here. This is 0.65. 0.65, and this candle was only 0.08. An altcoin, this Floki went down almost 1%, close to almost 1% with a 0.08% move on Bitcoin. Now, do you see what? Now, do you see there? Now, do you see what's happened there? Do you see what has happened there? Oh, okay, so Having Peck just said, I think Zeus just bounced 64 cents on the 15-minute. Oh, okay, so yeah, we were talking about Zeus. We did actually swap into some Zeus. We put a little bit into Zeus on our Phantom wallet. So let's actually look at Zeus. Thanks for the reminder. Let's check this out. So let's look at Zeus. Zeus is trading on MEX, CQcoin, Bybit, OKX. Let's look at the OKX chart. All right, 65. Oh, yeah, nice bounce. Nice bounce off of that 63 cents. Let's see. Let's look at Zeus. Live paper trading. Let's go. Oh, here we go. Look, we're hitting that level. Look. I mean, I just, come on, guys. My TA is not that. It's not that bad. But it's cool when it actually works, you know, when you're looking at the levels, you're like, look, this is the volumes there. We got the measurement. We got the flag here. We're probably just going to we might set a take profit right up in that level. What is that level? Let's copy this price. I want to see this price here. We're going to go right back to this level because that's literally, guys, we just called it. We just called it. We're going to hit that level. And so let's see where that puts us. We didn't want to be risking too much in the account right now. We want to keep the margin up high because we can really maximize on these altcoins are just going to rip, guys. I mean, they still have so much room to grow because they are off their all-time highs still between 300 to 500%, these things. So there's just a lot of room to grow, guys. A lot of room to grow. So, but this is great. Pepe over 200% now. Let's see about Pepe. We're really actually about trading into this level. Look at this volume on Pepe. We just wicked up to that level. That would have been a nice take profit. We actually had that set as a line of our target, and take profit was right there. But we took profit down a little bit lower. But that's okay. It's no big deal. But it's running now. But we might actually put a little bit more in Pepe, to be honest, because the thing really is just it's running. I mean, why not? I mean, look, we're gonna put in right now. We're gonna put in right now. The thing is just pushing volume. I think Pepe is just like Pepe. People are like, hey, I want to retire off of Pepe. Come on. They're like, let's retire off of Pepe, please. Let's do it. Let's put in a little bit. Let's put in a limit order. Let's put in a little bit more. We're gonna let's see. We're gonna catch it. Let's catch it on a nice spot. Let's catch it when it gets down right down to here. We'll wick it down a little bit. We're going to try and get that last price, that last low price. All right, boom. All right, order filled. I don't even care if it dips down any lower because look, guys, I'm feeling bullish on Pepe. Nice. Look, so look at that. We caught that low. Caught that low with the limit. All right, so now we're back up over 100 margin on Pepe. That's where we originally started. We are $200 in profit on this Pepe trade. We just put in on the Floki trade here. We're going to look at the target that we're looking at on Pepe. Look, we already hit it. Boom. Just told you guys. If you were just following this trade right here, you'd be making money. We just wicked right into that level. That was an obvious take profit level right there. But because we have this with this Bitcoin price action happening right now, we're going to be breaking these levels probably tonight. We're going to be breaking this 67,1 here. It's going to make these altcoins go parabolic. So we're going to use this opportunity to make some money tonight. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Crypto's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I quit my full-time job working all these hours to basically now work all the time. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight. I really do appreciate it. We got 20 people in here. What's going on? Shout out to all the 20 people. Thank you so much for smashing the likes and interacting. I think because Bitcoin's pumping, we played the pump song. Should we play the pump song one more time? Let's do it, guys. Let's get it going. You better walk like a gorilla around your house right now. That's the only way you can properly listen to this song is if you literally walk around like a gorilla and you just like start growling and howling. Growling and howling. Look at this. We're gonna start going dum 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 dum. We're gonna be trading up, test that, get supported, and we are just going off to the races, guys. I'm not trying to be a moon boy. It's just the charts are showing me what they're showing me. So it is what it is. Having pegs. I need more money if I'm going to buy 1,500 subscriptions. You're funny, bro. You're funny. Oh man, that would have been a nice take profit right there. But look, I think we're still probably going to push up. We're looking at Floki right now. We'll see what happens. We're not in a shorting mood right now. We're not in a shorting mood. I don't know if we want to be shorting when we have Bitcoin doing what it's doing right now. We just got a lot of bullish momentum. Let's see what happens with Pepe. Let's see what's going on with Pepe. Let's see if Pepe can pull through. All right. Okay, yeah, so we started to dip a little bit. No big deal. No big deal. Yeah. Yug with Omes. Pepe. Come on, Pepe. Come on, Pepe. Pull through, Pepe. Yeah, we're doing good right now, though. We're good. We're doing good. Let's see the trading day today. We did good today. We did good today. We did good. Yeah, we started the week pretty strong. We started actually the whole weekend strong on Sunday. We said normally you don't trade on Sundays, but we couldn't help ourselves, so we actually made. We said, look, we're gonna start making $150 or more a day trading, and you know, maybe some days you win some, you lose some, but I think if you're overall consistent and you are profitable through the month, then you can really see the potential of what you can do here. So I said, look, Sunday, look, $160. I got see 25 on Monday, combined with the 23rd. And that was more on Monday. Let's see, 200 on between Monday and today, and it's actually rolling in these profits. So actually between yesterday and today, that's 120, 25. Okay, so that's $200. So we're already crushing our goals. We're already crushing our goals. Oh, sorry. Music is too loud. Yeah, I had this thing pumping. But yeah, guys, we've been crushing our goals with the P&L. Just show you right there. Little peek. Just a little peek. Oh, yeah. It was funny when we were mentioning about Gummy going to that 23 cents. It quickly dumped. Did you see that? It dumped right to 50. It dumped right to 12 cents. It dumped it to 12 cents like really fast. So it's like I feel bad for people who like end up buying into something like right when it hits that 23 cents and then goes to 12 cents. It's just like, no. But we'll see what happens. All right, so, okay, we're getting some nice little recoveries here. We're getting some nice recoveries here. I like those wicks. All right, let's see how many people we have watching across all platforms. We have 17 people watching on YouTube. We have 14 people watching on X. Shout out to all the people that are watching on X. Thank you so much. Let's see. You got to make yourselves known. You say yo, yo, yo in the chat. Shout out to all the X people. X has been pushing more live streams, so thank you, Elon Musk. Shout out to Elon Musk. You could do me a favor. You can share this right here. You can repost it. Repost it for replay value, maximum replay value. And do me a favor and go and check out the most recent video I released earlier today. Oh, yeah, you bought it? Yeah, you were seeing it. So cool, yeah. So Having Peck bought it low. He bought it low. All right, so this video right here. This metric just flashed for Bitcoin. So you guys got to check out that video. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts, because that's the most important thing. So YouTube have been noticing is that like they like the like button, but they also, if you're commenting, then that means the video is getting interaction. It's getting that traction. So you have to comment your thoughts on these videos. Like sometimes these videos, they'll get great views, but there's only like 10 comments. And I'm like, guys, do you have thumbs? Like, come on. Like type your thoughts in there. I want to know what you guys think. I don't make these videos just for me to watch them. So I would really appreciate if you guys just let me know. Just like spill the beans. Spill the beans on these videos. All right. So majority of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe holders remain profitable despite the latest crypto corrections and all the volatility. I love pulling this thing up because it's just, this is what I'm trading. It's the trading. Nico saying, I saw the videos. They are super nice. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. All right. So yeah, Bitcoin's looking good. All right, cool. So our Matic trade is now in profit. Our Matic trade is now in profit. We might actually roll a little bit more margin into this trade to go a little bit long, to go a lot longer with our Matic trade. We got to make sure we can check in here, because with Bitflex, you can actually, you got to flex when you're using Bitflex. You can get these flex points. Oh, Pepe. Yeah, Pepe's about to break all-time high, possibly. Oh, I was just noticing your Spooder Man. Spooder Man, love your logo. Love your PFP. Yeah, Bitcoin's looking like it's just about to leg up. It's about to leg up. We've been using that term a lot the past couple days because things are just legging up. So leg up, leg up. All right, so look, outliers right here. We got Pepe. Pepe is just literally, look, we're putting our money where our mouth is. We know what's happening. Look, and look, here's the Pepe all-time high price marked here. Look, we're breaking it right now. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Headphone users wrecked. I'm sorry. I'm turning up the music because Pepe, I feel like we're in the Blade. I feel like we're in the Blade. It's the Blade. It's the Blade scene. Oh, look at that. No, sir. I'm not doing TA on Bitcoin. We'll pull it up. We'll pull it up. I actually removed my videos about Bitcoin. I had a couple videos that I made personally on Bitcoin that actually did really well, and I removed them because I do not want to be attached to any particular coin like that. All right, so look, we're getting that push again. We got wick to. Oh, Bitcoin consolidated on the 1 minute. Yeah, did we get a quick consolidation? Did we get that quick consolidation? But look, Pepe's still legging up. So this is the thing. People are speculating, not just on BTC. And a lot of people, yes, they're trading BTC, but even the BTC is going down. This is why this article is so telling, is that, look, Dogecoin, Shiba, and Pepe holders are in profit, even with the volatility. So people are speculating into Pepe and Floki, Dogecoin, these altcoins, because they want to make money. They want to... Oh, it's a Big Daddy Super Paul's Rothschild said, "Told you H-bar last night, broski. Next time." Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. I was like fading H-bar. I was like, ah. But I think it's still. You guys got to remember, we're so early. A lot of these altcoins. Sorry, I'm talking with the music absolutely pumping. So you guys got to remember, these altcoins. These altcoins are so still far off their all-time high. I mean, Pepe right now is breaking its all-time high. Pepe is actually currently breaking its all-time high, but... Or no, it's not breaking its all-time high. It's about to. I thought it was. That was the level. The level that we need to break... Sorry, I thought I was on the daily. Let's see. Oh, that's the all-time high. Okay, so yeah, we're getting close. This thing is crushing. Look at this candle. We suspect this weekly candle to close right up here and then push up here. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're just definitely gonna get a little more sauce into Pepe. Yes. All right, so let's see what's happening here. Looking good. All right, so let's check H-bar. We got people wanting to see H-bar, so let's check it. You know, we do accept super chats, so if you're it's like a tip jar. If you're like, look at H-bar, play Freebird, play Freebird. So funny. I feel like it's so fun because I'm a musician. I've played like thousands of shows and thousands of cover shows where I've had to play Freebird. All right, so let's look at H-bar. All right, so we have H-bar here. We got on the 4 hour, we got 4 major green candles on H-bar here. Pumped a good. Whoa, is this true here? Is this how much it just pumped? Did H-bar seriously just go up that much on the 4 hour? No way. 72% on H-bar. Wow. Wow. Hold the phone. Yeah, so we're on the weekly. H-bar up over 100%. Yeah. Yep. You were telling me. Yep, I wasn't listening. I was not listening. Yeah, you're right. Major. All right, so let's keep looking at this chart. Let's look at this chart. Holy moly. Look at that volume. That volume just started spiking. All right, so, and this is the thing, guys. Even though it spiked up this much, it still has room to grow. It still has room to go. I think what happened here is we probably hit some resistance somewhere. We hit some resistance somewhere right here at 18 cents. Man, that's major move for H-bar. So that's what we're waiting for, guys. We're waiting for that major move. You know, that parabolic move, that one that, you know, you bring your phone to your wife, your husband, or whoever, and you go like this. And they go. We're waiting for that parabolic move as well. That could have been it. Big Balls Daddy Rothschild, that could have been it. That could have been it. But look, we're doing good though. We're doing good. We're making profits. We're looking solid. Market's looking bullish. Overall, we're looking not too bad. We're looking not too bad. I thank you guys so much for being in this live stream tonight. This has been a really fun live stream. I love the interaction with the chat. I love all the regulars that are in here. Shout out to the Dano Dojo community for being in here for the live stream, keeping everyone entertained. You guys are just as entertaining as I am, so with your comments, and this is how we have formatted this live show, and I think it's been working. I think we've been really pushing the numbers. We're breaking all-time highs, you know, through starting this crypto journey and going full-time with the channel and building the brand. And I think, you know, you guys, you won't be disappointed. You follow this channel from this point forward, it's only going to get better and better and better. And I'm just going to provide the best crypto channel I can possibly provide with being the one-man show that is the Dano Crypto channel. And so just want you guys to know that. I want you to know that. And I'm dead A serious too. I'm not just trying to BS you guys. All right, so let's look at what is happening right now with these markets. Look at Floki. Floki is just pushing it. Floki's pushing it. We were underestimating the amount of TA that we were doing to really solidify and put our money where our mouth is, because look, it's just on a run here. It's just on a run here, Floki. Holy moly. Look at this thing. Man, we're just loving the price action tonight, guys. This is so awesome. I'm loving this right now because look, we are pushing some levels here. Bitcoin, I'm telling you. Told you guys. I don't want to be the whole I told you so type of person, but I mean, just look at this freaking chart. Look at this. Look at Bitcoin right now. Look at this thing. Look at all of these Bitcoin charts. They're all bullish. They're all bullish as heck. Bully. You need to be bully, as Ivan on Tech would say. Guys, let me know if you think I can get Ivan on the show. You guys think I can get Ivan on the show? I once messaged Ivan on Twitter when Twitter was Twitter. And I said, Ivan, I would like you to come on the show. And he messaged me back. And he said, not until you get over 1,000 views per video and you have more subscribers. And then I might come. That's what he said. That's what he said. And I said, challenge accepted, Ivan. Challenge accepted. And let me show you. Shout out to Ivan. I'm going to show Ivan right now. Shout out to Ivan on Tech if you're watching. Look at this. Almost 1,000 right there. 2,000. 4,000. 4,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 2,003. Right there. Look. Oh, using Morales money. Finding altcoins before they pump. That has over 2,000 views right there. So, Ivan, sir, I would love to do some content with you. I think we would have a fantastic conversation, and we would have some fun. So let's make it happen. Let's make it happen, bro. Let's do it. You're the reason I'm so bullish on crypto to begin with, so it would just be very fitting. All right, so TA and Omni Network, we can check it out. We can check it out. Let's see. Man, we just gotta. We need to check these trades because we actually need to get. I think we're gonna get a little bit more into Floki. This thing wants to go. This thing wants to touch this. It really wants to touch this level. So we're not gonna fade it. We're gonna make sure we solidify as much profits as we can tonight because then our account will be crossing a certain threshold of going back over 2K on this particular account. This particular account got over as high as 7K. We scalped a lot of those profits off, put it in our DCA bags, put it in our cold wallets and all that stuff, and we were able to keep trading because we kept some of the account in, and we've just been scalping and doing all of this stuff to be able to be in these markets. All right, Crypto Naughty said, I got to take off, but solid stream, sir. Keep it up. Yes. All right. Yeah, you have a good night. Peace, peace, peace. Oh, HALVING said he loves yellow hoodies if you need to bribe him. Well, actually, if I can get the address to the Morales money or get Ivan's address somehow, his P.O. box, I'll send him a buff Doge pink sweater that he can wear on his live stream. Courtesy of Dano Crypto. I think that could happen. All right, so what we're going to do here with Floki, because what we're going to do here with Floki, we're going to see if we get a wick supported going back up to the upside here, and then this is a perfect opportunity that we can get another limit order in to be able to push it to the upside here. Floki's looking spicy. Yeah, it's looking like it right now. This is the immediate short-term level that we're looking at for Floki. We're currently live trading right now, guys. Did I ever listen to Dan Pina? He's hardcore finance. I'll have to check it out. I'll definitely check it out. Yeah, these wicks. Trying to catch a low here. We could put a limit order in literally right here. Looks like it still wants to push up. Maybe we can just do this. We'll paste. Could wick down and catch that, but then it'll give us at least an opportunity. Now we got it on the board. We got it on the board. We got a range here. We're in this range, but look, it's still pushing. But we're going to move this long, right? We're going to move it right here. Look at this. Floki pushing that volume. Let's put it right back down here. We're just going to kind of keep moving it. Yeah, this thing's pushing. So let's start dragging it. Let's start dragging it. Wow. All right, we got it. Order filled, complete. We're gonna move it. So we are catching a momentum wave here. We just want partial profits. Oh yeah, we should do that. Yeah, we should do that. So Jason B said if you could do a live trade on the Moon Show, the chat loves it. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, they love the live trading on the Moon Show. They love when Carl's live trading. Because Carl puts like thousands on a trade, so that's why people love seeing that. They're like, yes, because you know they want to be putting thousands on a trade. All right, so the target that we're looking at is the top of this wedge right here for Floki. Somehow Floki got into our radar. We did have a big push to the upside, but we still have our stop loss set. So no matter what, we can still be, if we wanted to, we can close it right now in profit at 31 bucks, scalping that off. Or looks like it's breaking down a little bit, but let's see if it's because Bitcoin is breaking down. Let's see if Bitcoin on the 5-minute. We need to break that 67. We need to break that 67.1 right here. Eye of Vandom is saying, also, Dano, do you think layer ones are still relevant if they are kind of dying off as more get released? Thoughts? I mean, there's so many projects, there's so many things, and ultimately there's going to be the projects that everyone uses and that institutions are using. Their Bitcoin, I don't think is going to go away. I think Ethereum, with all the upgrades and the things that Ethereum does, I think it's going to last for a long time. And then we'll just see. Everything else, I mean, everything else is just a toss-up. We really don't know. Just time will tell. We just have to see and let the market decide, and let the money flow. The money flow is going to tell us where we're going. Just follow the money. You see money going into Solana, then Solana's the pick. We see money going into these certain chains, and that's what ends up being used mainstream, then that's the pick. And that's kind of how I've been trading these narratives and trying to get better at it, and not oh man, Pepe is just doing really good. I think and the thing is that I think Pepe overseas in Asia, people love Pepe. They actually really love Pepe, and they love meme coins. They love dog coins. So let's see if the Asian markets can really pump Pepe and make this thing blast. Let's see what the take profit is. Take profit. We're almost going to break that all-time high. So we got here. We'll copy this price, and we'll see what the potential profits are. Nice. So we're looking at some decent profits here coming up in the Pepe all-time high. And I think because now the fact that we are up in percentage and we could just set this thing at break even, this is the potential to really start throwing some dough in here and maybe just try and ride this thing. Like we leg it up. It's a shame that we didn't catch a low right here, because we did, we actually got it only about halfway through the wedge. We had a breakout, obviously, going into that all-time high, and I got in about halfway in, and this was just re-entering. I was already down here. So if you look at the I entered in Pepe, I think it was right here. I sold near at the top, and then I re-entered back into the wedge. So we're getting we're getting a little bounce. I'm telling you guys, if we break this 67, right here, the 67.1, we'll be looking good. It looks like we're heading that direction. Guys, you've been super awesome being in this live stream. Thank you so much. I think we've been streaming for long enough, man. Woo! How long have we been streaming? We've been streaming for An hour and a half. What have we been doing? What have we been doing, guys? You guys been hanging out with me for an hour and a half? What is going on? All right, so thank you guys so much. Be sure to do me a favor, use all the links in the description. It's a little starter pack there for you. And yeah, hopefully Bitcoin gets bullish through the night, and we just make some money. I want to make some money while I sleep. So let's do it, guys. Let's make some money while we sleep. All right, so if you guys have been here through the entire stream, wow, the faithful remnant. And if you popped in at any point, if you just kind of, came in through the middle or you came towards the very end, make sure you go back and watch this stream from the very beginning so you can get all of the info, and make sure you leave a comment too. Leave a comment of your thoughts about everything that we talked about. It helps with the algorithm. And do me a favor and hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, share this channel with your friends, and let them know that you come and watch this live stream at certain times, and have them come in and hang out and chat, and let's make this thing a big crypto party, guys. All right, so I will see you guys tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and at 8 p.m. And let's be bulls in this bull market, and God bless every single one of you and your families, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.